Well, welcome back to Channel On. I'm back on the Master 100,000 BTU space heater, and we was using this the other day to thaw out some pipes, and all of a sudden it started vibrating and making all kinds of racket, and the fan had basically self-destructed, so pretty much shut us down on that project. So I got online and I was able to find a new one, and I've already matched it up, so I'm all set, and I'm going to have a link down below where I got this. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to take the old one off. Remember how it goes on. Again, always taking pictures of stuff before you take it apart. And we're going to go ahead and remove this this fan. And a little trick: if you can't get the Allen wrench in there, just take a little wrench like this and kind of put it in an angle like that, and you should be able to turn that to loosen it up. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen that up, just like that. You don't need to do much. Should be able to slide that off. Now I think I can get in there like this. There we go. I think that's enough. Alright, there it is. So as you can see, it just basically just blew up. I didn't think I was going to be able to get one, but with a little bit of searching, I found one. So it came in. Again, I've already matched it up, got the measurements and everything, and again, I'll put a link down below. Remember how that came off. We're going to slide that on there. Now make sure that you get that on the shaft just right. You're going to slide that on. You don't want to put it on the curved part like that. Just like that. I'm actually going to use the tool, this wrench, to tighten it up so I can kind of make sure that's going to be snug. So I'm going to do the same thing, just the opposite. I'm going to put my wrench like that, and I'm going to snug that down, just like that. And there we go. Now when I slid this cover off, this motor was actually sideways where it was hitting the side of the case. So I didn't do any other damage, so I should be all set. So real quick, I'm going to touch this off just to make sure it works. Because I know if you're working on this, you want to make sure that you're ready to rock and roll. So let's go ahead and plug this in. All right, here we go. So we're back up and running. It was misfiring a little bit there because the top needs to be on. I'm going to slide that top back on, and then we're back in business. So I know this is kind of a quick fix, but you've got to have this fan before you can go any further anyhow. So thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.